It's a crisp autumn morning, and the fields are buzzing with activity. After months of careful tending, it's finally time to harvest the sugar beets. The sun is just rising, casting a warm golden hue over acres of leafy green tops that hide the sweet treasure beneath the soil. This is the moment farmers have been waiting for all season. Sugar beet harvesting is a complex and coordinated effort that blends skill, timing, and the power of heavy machinery. Let's take you through the process, step by step, as we uncover what it really takes to bring these root crops out of the ground and into the sugar factories. The harvest begins with assessing the field conditions. Farmers wait for the right combination of soil moisture and weather. If the ground is too wet, machinery might compact the soil or get stuck. If it's too dry, the beets can be harder to pull and more likely to get damaged. Once the timing is right, the first machine to enter the field is the defoliator or topper. This specialized equipment drives through the rows and slices off the leafy tops of the sugar beets. These tops don't go to waste. They're either left on the field to decompose and return nutrients to the soil or collected for livestock feed. With the foliage removed, the next step involves the sugar beet harvester. This is where things get really interesting. The harvester is a massive, powerful machine fitted with spinning lifters and wheels that gently pull the beets from the soil. At the same time, rotating discs or paddles clean off excess dirt and debris. It's a delicate balance, removing the beets quickly and efficiently without bruising or breaking them. Each root has to remain as intact as possible to maintain quality and sugar content. The machine continues row by row, and the beets are conveyed into a holding tank or loaded directly into trucks that drive alongside the harvester. Depending on the farm's setup, the harvested beets may go straight to a piling ground or storage site. These areas are typically close to the field or near a central processing facility. Here, trucks unload the beets into huge piles, sometimes stretching hundreds of feet long and dozens of feet high. These piles are carefully monitored for temperature and moisture to prevent spoilage. Sugar beets are surprisingly sensitive after harvest, and too much heat or poor airflow can lead to rot, reducing both quantity and quality. For some farmers, the beets are stored for weeks or even months before being transported to a sugar processing plant. This storage period must be carefully managed. Ventilation systems and sometimes even specialized coverings are used to maintain the right conditions. Once it's time for processing, trucks haul the beets from the pile to the sugar factory, where the next stage of the journey begins, turning raw beets into refined sugar. But back in the field, the work doesn't end once the beets are pulled. After harvesting, the field often needs some cleanup and preparation for the next planting season. Farmers might do some light tillage to break up compacted soil and incorporate leftover organic matter. They may also test the soil to check nutrient levels and pH, helping them plan for fertilizers and amendments to apply before the next crop goes in. Sugar beet harvesting is not just about getting the crop out of the ground. It's about doing it at the right time, in the right way, to ensure maximum yield and quality. Modern technology has made this process more efficient than ever. GPS-guided tractors, yield monitors, and field mapping software help farmers plan their harvest down to the finest detail. They can adjust harvester settings in real time, track productivity, and even predict how much sugar each load will yield based on field data. There's a lot of pride that goes into sugar beet farming. These crops represent months of labor, planning, and hope. Every load that heads to the factory is a reflection of a farmer's dedication. And for many rural communities, sugar beets are more than just a crop. They're a major economic driver, supporting jobs in farming, transportation, and manufacturing. Harvesting sugar beets is both an art and a science. From selecting the perfect moment to begin, to operating complex machines, to handling storage logistics, every decision impacts the final product. The beets themselves may look humble, pulled from the dirt with a coating of mud and dust, but inside they carry the potential to be transformed into pure, white sugar used in everything from candy to soft drinks to baked goods. As the harvest continues, day after day, it's a race against time and weather. Frost can affect the beets, sugar content, and storms can halt operations entirely. Farmers keep a close eye on forecasts, working long hours to make the most of every dry day. And when the last row is harvested and the final truck rolls out, there's a sense of accomplishment that can't be matched. So the next time you stir a spoonful of sugar into your coffee or bite into a sweet dessert, think of the sugar beet harvest. Think of the early mornings, the massive machines, the careful coordination, and the hard-working hands behind it all. From soil to sweetness, it's an incredible journey, rooted in the ground, and refined through human effort and ingenuity.